Hey guys, Miami Gunner here. I just got a new package from Atlantic Firearms. I wanted to do a little unboxing. It's a surplus firearm, so I just wanted to show you guys firsthand what they're looking like. This is December 2022. So if you're looking to buy a Tokarev in December 2022 and you're looking at Atlantic Firearms, this is pretty much what you're gonna get. This was roughly, I believe, $350. All right, first thing, let's check and make sure it's safe. Give me a sec. Chamber's empty. So let's take it out. As you can see, there's definitely some wear. It has some dings on the slide. Has some scratches on the slide release, behind the slide release, obviously from wear. Has this really ugly safety. Chamber looks super clean. Looks like if it was fired lightly or not fired at all. Has the numbers inside, 2543. Not sure what that has to do with. This is my favorite part about these older Zastavas. They have the Zastava stamp on the top of the slide. It also has an anti-glare serration. Even the chrome lining on the barrel seems really nice. This is the Tokarev with the longer grip that holds 9 rounds on the magazine. I'm not a big fan of the, I guess you would call the T33s with a shorter grip, because as you can see, this is the perfect grip size for me. And I don't know, I just think it makes it more aesthetically pleasing overall. Let's try the trigger out, put it in a safe position. I had the newer Zastava, the M57A, with also the long grip, but they were brand new with the safety up here. And the one with the safety up here, the safety does seem a little crisper. The trigger does seem a little crisper. There's a little bit less take-up, or the take-up is softer, and then the break is definitely crisper. So, something to complain about, but not a huge deal. As you can see, the barrel's nice. I will say this, I was a big fan of my M57A, because I got it brand new in the nice blue Zastava box. But looking at this one definitely has some character. So to be honest, I do like this one a little bit more. You can see it has some stampings. It's not super warm, but it definitely, you see more stampings on there. It definitely has its wear and its character. The only thing I hate is the stupid safety, man. Yeah, the safety is just stupid. So, but besides that, ammo's impossible to find. But man, you gotta love a Tokarev. So yeah, for $350, I think I did pretty good. At a local gun store here in Miami, I had found a T33, also in 762x25. Was it an Norinco? I don't remember the brand now. I don't remember if it was an Norinco or not, if it was Chinese or if it was Soviet. But it was a short grip. They only wanted $300, and they told me they could negotiate the price. But man, I just couldn't, you know, buy the short grip one. So I'm really glad Atlantic Firearm has these. They actually have the T33s, which are the TT33s, which are the shorter grip, and they actually cost more. So I'm not sure why you would buy one of those, but yeah. So let me just do a little zoom here so you can see all the imperfections. Again, like I said, it's very minor. I'd say I'd give it a 8.5 or 9 out of 10, to be honest, because this is surplus stuff, so can't really ask for it to be in great quality. But it, you know, the bluing is really nice. The other Zastava M57A, the bluing was very, very black. I don't know how to describe it, but you know, it looked like a newer gun. This one has the, I say it looks more gray. than black or blue. And again, the stamp on the top is just my favorite part of this Zastava. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna polish the barrel, polish the feed ramp, and yep, gonna find some ammo, gonna go shoot. Let me show you guys what else I got from Atlantic. A little while ago, I got a Zastava M57, the short version. It only has 2 magazines. I didn't get ones with the last round bolt hold open like I wanted, but these are 40 rounders, and I just love the look of the original. I do want to do some experimenting and do some cutouts to see the bullets. So I got me a sacrificial, super cheap surplus mag. So this one, I'll probably be cutting up and do some window on that. I'll definitely be doing a video on that. How to cut up your AK-47 magazines and mess them up, hopefully not. And then I'll also do a follow-up video on the Zastava 7.62x25 M57. Once I get some ammo, we'll do some range time, and we'll compare it to, the 1911 Colt 1903, which looks a lot like it actually, and a few other guns. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the video. Thanks for watching. And if you guys are looking for a Tokarev, Atlantic Firearms is one of your best bets. This is the all-time bad guy gun. And I spoke to a Russian, and they say that these are actually criminal guns in Russia because they were very cheap and they were just easily discarded after. So Tokarevs definitely have a lot of history. One of my favorite firearms. It's a very flat shooting. It almost feels like you're shooting a 10mm, but it feels like a 22 Magnum in the sense that it has no kick. So yeah, if you haven't shot a Tokarev in 7.62x25, you're missing out. Go hit up Atlantic Firearms. Again, I'm not sponsored by Atlantic Firearms at all. I'm just satisfied with the purchase. Very good quality. Shipping was pretty good. They respond to their customer emails. So magazines were shipped to the FFL, which was strange, but again, no complaints here. They responded and told me that the magazines would be in the box. So again, if you guys want a Tokarev, check out Atlantic Firearms and get you some surplus goodies. All right, guys, stay safe, stay armed.